about y'all, but this is my outfit for today. Who's gonna check me? Make some pot roast for dinner tonight, and it's definitely a chill day for us. Friday? In the morning? Barely. Don't be coming home with all the problems now. I forgot to record putting the potatoes in there, but the potatoes are in there. 6 o'clock, and I'm gonna find a way to put these potatoes on so we can have mashed potatoes with our pot roast. Now be honest, did y'all get prepared for this winter storm, or have you had to go out in it today? Y'all know I'm naturally quiet, so it'll be hard to talk while I'm doing stuff in videos, but I'm working on it. I am working. I want to engage with y'all. I want to interact with y'all. He didn't do anything. I watched him. I did for me, but that'll go away. You ready to eat now? Well, I'm gonna eat now.
Well, if you ready to eat, we can eat together. You ready to eat?
Yeah, it's getting late.
Oh my God. Give me the plate.